Tyler blowing it again.
What? Boy?
Mm-hmm. Oh, you got too much slop in it. Alright, drink your grape juice. Alright, say Happy New Year. Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
What'd you do?
Don't know. Happy.
I think it's broke.
That is broke.
That's okay, we'll get another one.
Yeah.
We'll get another one.
Happy New Year.